What's up, Damien Dupee back at you. I'm usually not out in the field. I just find a lot. That's all I do. I find a lot, I assign a lot, make the bread, and then I keep it moving. The only reason I'm out here in the field because I want to show you the process of what goes into developing a lot. Okay, very, very important. And so you can know cost, how much it costs. So you can be knowledgeable and be, have wisdom.
You know, if there's a piece of land that somebody can build a house, they're gonna build it.
Yeah. This house probably sell for minimum $350 right here. $350,000. Water and sewer on the street. Beautiful. Busy road though. As you can see, a lot of traffic out here. Very, very busy road, Brookhaven. But good lot, dope lot. And I think it'll be a great fit for a new homeowner. What I like about it is it's big. Again, this is what we do, find off-market deals. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Peace out.